In the second video, I want to show you how to take the finished box and really anything that you create that's laid out flat, ready to be laser cut, how to get the file out of here so you can put it in the laser cutter. What you got to make sure that you do is you have everything flat, and then we're going to take advantage of a function called make 2D drawing to get the perspectives totally right. So it's a little different than SketchUp. We're not going to actually set up the camera. We're going to use the built-in cameras for us. All right, so let's give it a shot. We need to go over to drafting, and we want to click, I think it's this one, make 2D drawing. And it asks for the object. So I'm going to hold shift and click on the objects that I want to create a drawing of. And then it asks a bunch of questions. You probably have a bunch of these options selected by default. I turn them off because they create extra geometry, which can create false cut lines. I don't want them. So I'm going to say OK. It's going to think for a minute. And then if you zoom way out, you can see it actually creates these 4 perspectives. It also made a new layer, make 2D. Okay. And you can hide that layer just like any other layer, and you can delete stuff off that layer, which I don't need any of those things, so I'm going to delete them. Select that stuff. And delete it. Don't need it. Okay, so let's go in and look from the top view at our cut. So that looks great. We can now take those things, I'll select them all, and go to File, Export Selected. I'll just drop this on the desktop. And then I want to save it as a DXF. Now you can select options now, or at save time, it'll pop up a box, and there's a specific option you've got to select. So box, laser, cut. And then you want to make sure you choose 2004 polylines. You can say always use these settings if you want, so you have to do it every time. I can't think of a reason I'd want to change. Maybe the CNC machine would require different ones. But for our laser cutters, 2004 polylines works great. Press export, and then it makes a DXF file, which you can then take over to the laser cutter, import, and it'll cut great.